Hi everyone, I'm Mom and welcome to MomDas Life Handmade. Today I'm going to take two different pieces, one an item that never got used and another a decor piece that I want to flip. So I'm going to use these two decor pieces and flip them into a beautiful decor piece that I would love to use as a decor in my home or can even gift it. And because of the colors and the combination of items that are there, it's perfect for the fall as well as Thanksgiving. I hope you will like the today's DIY. My today's DIY is part of the challenge called Flippin Friday that is being hosted by Jammie from Board or Bananas. So I'll put link to Jammie's channel in the description box of my video and also give link to the playlist for other ideas. And if you're new here, a warm welcome. Look around. If you love the content, which is about doing lots and lots of DIYs, trash to treasures, high-end dupes, everything related to home within budget and sometimes for absolutely free. I love doing free DIYs. If you love the content, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button given below the video, to hit the notification bell next to it and choose the ringing bell notification so that you're notified each time I post my video. So the two items I'm going to flip today are this pair of spoons and this home sign that I made recently over a plywood, and it can be changed for a different decor, but I think it will make a good base for today's DIY. So I'm going to use this piece. We keep this aside for the moment. And these are two spoons. These are actually made of I think it's Melmoware or good quality plastic. This my mother had. She passed it over to me thinking that I'll be able to use when I have parties or something like that, or even in daily wear. But then these are absolutely silly. They are, as you see, very thick and really shallow. You cannot really use them in picking up things. I once thought of using them for salads. Even that doesn't work. So basically I can't really use them practically. So I was about to toss them away when I thought, because they have this beautiful color, never been used, so why not use them in some kind of DIY project. So today I'm going to do that. Now these spoons have this beautiful deep dark orange color which is so perfect for the fall. So I kept them till the fall season to come so that I can change them into a beautiful decor piece. At least they should do some work. So I'll keep this original orange color, but I'm going to change something on the handles. I'm going to give these pair of spoons a Mackenzie Childs inspired decor look. So to begin with, I got this printout over an A4 size paper. This has the checks, such a signature style for Mackenzie Childs, and I'm going to apply these checks over the handle piece. So not on this portion, just this straight rectangular portion out of it. So I'm going to use some Mod Podge and apply it over here. Just measure and then cut. So I'm just trying to get an idea how much do I need, so that I have this beautiful check in front undisturbed. Because it's a check pattern, it's so easy to measure how much one needs. I'm just using some marker pen to just merge the design so that it looks continuous. That will do for now. I'll just come back and refinish it later. I'm just applying another coat of Mod Podge over this so as to protect this paper as well as give it a little shine. If there are any bubbles, just push them out. Go center outwards and push them out. Similarly with this one. So while the Mod Podge is drying, let's keep this aside and we will prepare the base. So this is the piece that I'm going to use for making the base. So I'm going to remove this. I had glued this straw to prepare this sign. This is in my Fall DIY and Decor playlist, so you can find it there. So I'm going to remove the straws from here. It was pretty, but let's change it. So, and this was something that I can change it. So I'm going to remove all these attachments. Because it has this marks of glue and it can be taken off. I'll try to peel off further, but now let's make this side, the front side. It's nicely painted and there is a jute rope attached on the sides to neaten up the edge. So I'm going to use this as the front now. So let's turn it over, and this is the back side, and here I need to make the attachments for to make this piece so that I can hang it on the wall. So this is a small, from the tin can, I had taken this piece off for opening tin cans. So I'm just going to place it here. I'll glue it here, and this is a piece of false leather and I'm going to attach it here. Again, glue it so that this becomes a strong attachment for hanging this piece on the wall. I'm going to leave the front part just as it is. It's neat enough, it's nice enough, and I can use it as the base. Now the spoons are dry and I'm going to embellish them further with some paint. So I'm using acrylic paint here. Now the spoons are ready in Mackenzie Childs inspired way, and even the base is ready. This is nice and dry. I'm going to place it, now it's just gluing up things together. So I'm going to place one such that it's slightly inside the borders, and the other one I'm going to place it like this so that I can accommodate both the spoons together. And I'm going to glue them with some strong glue here, but something for the top. I want to hide this loop here. So I have this tulle bow with me, already had it in my stash, and I'm going to glue this here. Then I have some golden leaves. It must have been part of some decoration, and I'm going to have this red rose. I didn't find an orange rose, so on the top, just to go with all this gold touches here and there, glue them all so that I can hide the hook at the back, and I think this will make a pretty wall decor. So here is my today's flip, and I used 2 different items and made this beautiful thing. It's a lovely decor piece for the fall and it looks really great, and I'm sure it will look great on any dining room area, hutch, or even the kitchen. These spoons look gorgeous with the black and white checks on them. Absolutely Mackenzie Childs. Look here, vibes here. The little white and gold band also enhance the look here. And those colorful touches of florals, they add to it. I think this looks great. What do you think? Do let me know in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share this video and put down your comments here. And if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and support me, help me grow. I thank you so much for your support and time, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Until then, stay positive, be creative and be happy.